Hi, today we're doing VW Golf 2011 TSI, and the common problem of this car, if you can see here, the lights is flashing. If you can see, this light is flashing, and when I am trying to start the car start, but light is still flashing, and when I am putting reverse, it's showing reverse, but still light is flashing, but D not showing. Look, it's going straight away D2. D1 is missing. If you can see, when I am putting, see, D1 is skip on there. Then again I am going to show you, see, it's skipping. So when I am trying to diagnose this one, if you can see, it's saying P173A, gear position distance sensor 1 impossible signal. That's the problem, and the reason of this sensor, the car is doing like this and is not shifting the gear, is not going in D1. That's the common problem of VW, Skoda. And if you have the problem of like that, you have to come to us. We can refurbish your unit and we will ready the car same day. My name is Terry. We are in Hounslow, and my postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango. And you can call me. My phone number is 07402536 You can book with me and then we'll do it same day. Car will be ready. If you have any question, you can send me message, email, through WhatsApp, and we can solve your issue. We are in Hounslow. My postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango, 167 Hanworth Rd, Hounslow Motors Ltd. You can check our reviews, and you can see my other videos as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.